Of all the personalities in investing, I guess the one I'm approached most by is the late starter with serious intent. All of these categories are on alpeshpatel.com. The late starter with intent is this one in the middle. Okay, it's part of a series of 6 video snippets we're doing to explain the types of personas. Now, the late starter with serious intent is the one who's caught on quite late, that they should have done this sooner. They'll often say to us, we wish we met you earlier in life, but they're here now and it doesn't matter. And there's no point looking backwards. Let's just look forwards. Maybe it was because career took over life, stuff happens. Maybe they started earning more money later. They didn't have enough to begin with, or maybe they were just too busy having fun spending money in earlier life. They're probably in their 40s and 50s. We created a video for them to watch, an article to read, and a tool to use. So the video, is it too late to fix your pension? How do you get the kind of accelerated growth you need, but without the risk, given that you're 10 years away probably from retirement, and it's balancing those two. So we show a video on that. We've also got an article on that as well, how to catch up on investing without taking big risks. That's to be read there. It's all on alpeshpatel.com. You just scroll down, it'll take you to this page. And then we've got a pension calculator in terms of varying growth levels and where you could get to. Okay, because those are the things you need to know, right? Is it too late? How do I fix it? What do the numbers look like? 3 things you need to know, all for free, all on alpeshpatel.com. I will in future videos go on to other ones. If you've liked this, please like and share it, because then more people will see it and I'll do more of these videos. We'll do more of the content, more videos answering for each of these personas exactly what you should be doing. So alpeshpatel.com is the place you want to go. Any questions, just email me through that website. I am a lot better at looking at emails than I am at comments on social media. Okay, thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.